Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. In today's video, I will teach you guys how to log in into your BB&T bank account. It's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to search for BB&T login just like this. After you search for it, it's going to show you trustia.com. But don't get confused, BB&T is owned by Trustia Bank. So when you're trying to log in into a BB&T account, you basically are trying to log in into Trustia Bank account. So click on the first option and it'll take you to the official website of Trustia Bank. Now once you're in this page, at the top you can see the sign in button. Just click on it, and over here where it says user ID, you need to enter the user ID of your account. And where it says password, just enter the password of your account. After you do that, just click on sign in. If the user ID and password you entered over here is correct, you should be able to log in into your BB&T account, also known as Trustia account. If you forgot the password and user ID, you can click on these two options to recover them as well. That's how you guys can log in into a BB&T bank account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.